Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can reset or change your WarGaming password. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. First off, you need to log out from your WarGaming account. So once you're logged out and you're on this default page, you can go to the login option right here in the upper right corner. Once you're on the login section, just click Cannot Log In and Recover Your Account link, this one right here. And this will actually bring you to the Reset Your Password screen. So just go ahead and click Reset right here and input the email address of your WarGaming account. Once you did that, you can click Continue. So WarGaming now sent an email to your email address in which you can find an additional link that will allow you to change your password. So go ahead and open up your Gmail account or email account. And this is how that email will look. So just go ahead and click Enter New Password. And on this page, you simply enter your new password and confirm it right here. And keep in mind that your password needs to contain all this stuff to actually be eligible as a new password. Once you selected your new password and confirmed it in the field below, you can click the Change button. And your password has been changed successfully. So that's how you can reset or change your password on your WarGaming account. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.